Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to delete Google Photos. If you switch on your Google Backup, all photos and videos you will delete on Google Photos will also be deleted on your phone storage. Except the photos are saved on a removable memory card. The photos and videos will remain for 60 days in the trash folder. You can find it when you search for trash. There you can restore your deleted photos and videos. If you want to just delete the backed up photos but not the ones on your phone, switch off Google Backup on all the devices you want the photo to remain. Go to photos.google.com/login. Delete your selected backed up photos and videos from Google Photos. Wait for some minutes and then close and reopen the app. Deleted photos may still be in your Photos view. These photos are only local copies. To check the backup status of the photos, tap the photo, then click in the upper right on the three dots and scroll down to Details. I hope this video has helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.